Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you and welcome. Let's trickle to the kitchen. Today we're making some jerk chicken wings. And here are our ingredients that we will be using. So simple. Chicken, you look clean. Look how much chicken look clean. Look like it has bathed. Yes, looking so grand delicious. Well, even though it's not cooked. So here I have my chicken that has been washed and clean, and I'm putting some oil on it. Now the oil is going to help to keep it moisturized, nice and soft while it is baking. And here I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. And guys, look what IR is coming with. Yes, that is, listen, that's my jerk seasoning. I made that. I'm gonna list it down below. I'm gonna put the link to it down below. But yes, my jerk come true. Step to the front. So I added 3 teaspoons of that, right? Well, 3 tablespoons. And now I went in with some salt, and then I'm gonna just rub it all in, give it a nice little massage and get it all over them wings. Yes, just rub it in. So it needs a little color. So I added just a toops of browning, just a toops. And then I'm continuing with the massage. What kind of massage do you think it is? Well, it's obviously it's not hot oil, it's cold oil. Oh Lord. So yeah, rub that in and then we are done. And guys, please preheat your oven. Look how my chicken seasoned so deliciously good. Looks so good. Make sure your oven is preheated at 348 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 176 degrees Celsius. So here I have my baking tray and I just spritz some oil on it, and then I'm putting my chicken down. So I'm not using the rack today. I'm just doing it normal, right? You can have a little bit of space between them, but it kind of doesn't matter because it's not going to change what we are getting here, the deliciousness that we are going to be making here. So yes, here they are all lined up. So now we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And here it is after 20 minutes. And now we are going to take, oh, I didn't say, yes, don't throw away the marinade that was on it. So you're going to use it now and baste the chicken, right? Baste the wings. So you know the little juice that is left back, because trust me, that jerk seasoning was just dripping everywhere. So yes, we're going to use that delicious marinade juice, the seasoning juice there, and just baste the chicken. And you can still use your baster, you know, the little suction thing. That's the best way we can explain it. I'm not showing it here right now, but you can use that and suck up some of the juice in the tray and put all over it too as well, if you don't have any juice left back in your seasoning bowl, right? That's fine. So that's another way to baste the chicken. So yeah, here we are, and then we're going to put it back in the oven, same 176 degrees Celsius, 348 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. 10. And here we are going in now. We have our little thingy, and I'm putting some ketchup, my jerk sauce, and here I'm adding some sugar. Now the sugar is just to cut the tanginess, to kind of break up, because if you think about it, don't barbecue sauce and those, they tend to be tangy and strong. So you use the sugar to just tone it down a bit. Say, hey, speak with your inside voice in my tummy. You're gonna be nice. So that's what the sugar does. So then you're going to have to taste it and make sure that it's all mellow and nice. It's good and balanced. It wasn't, so I added the rest of the sugar, right? And mix it up, taste again, and make sure it's all good. And by the way, make enough to use to put on your chicken, right? So here I am all done, and now it's about that time, the right time. Let's take out the chicken. So this is after 10 minutes. Look at them. Una look ready to eat, looking so good already. But no, is not done with you. We are going to nice you up even more. So vibes from that delicious jerk sauce that we just made, we are going to lather it all over them chickens, all over them wings. We are gonna lather. We're gonna lather. We are gonna paint. We're gonna work them wings. So take that delicious jerk sauce, jerky, and just say, hey, you're my friend. Let me paint you. Let me give you some glorious glory. Yes. Look at it. Looks so good. So yeah, vibes fam, just take your time and don't do it sparingly, you know. Go in with that sauce, because I'm telling you. I am telling you, it's gonna be so good. So yeah, just do it to each and every one of them. Everyone. Those wings look so good. And of course, we flip them over. So some of it I didn't show you the flipation of it all. So now I'm doing some of them. So I flip them over, sauce them. Right? Because we don't just want the sauce on one side, you know. No, because it's not one side of the wings we are going to be eating. We are going to be eating every corner, every crease. So get that sauce all up in and around and about it, right? Every perimeter. So yeah, and then guess what? We're gonna have to flip them over and do it again. But trust me, it takes a little bit of time, just a little bit. But your taste buds is gonna jump on you and give you a nice fat hug. Believe that. So look at them, vibes fam. Look at them. These wings are saying all the saying. They are saying it. Are you listening? I hope you are, because I'm telling you, these jerk wings. So yeah, vibes fam. By the way, the jerk sauce, you can get it in different brands, right? So just find your nice little jerk sauce, and you use that as I showed you, that and some ketchup and the sugar. And don't put any water in it, because you need the sauce to hold it corner and say yeah. So here we are all done. I'm gonna put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. By the way, I did turn down the oven, vibes fam. See it here we are. Look at these wings. Look at these wings. Jerk wings. Jerky, you never did have to come out so strong. You see you? Yeah, I pop yourself. But okay, you know say you look good. You know that you look good. You look good. So yes, I was saying, I turned down the oven. Before I put it back for the last 10 minutes, I turned down the oven to 120 degrees Celsius. That's 248 degrees Fahrenheit, right? Just so I don't want them to get too, dry out or anything like that. I just need the sauce to just be sizzling on it. That jerk sauce to just sizzle on it, right? And vibes fam, they were perfect. I need to record my husband when he is devouring these wings. Are just the food sometime. No, it's serious. You should. The first bite, he was like, no, Father God, what is this? It was so good. Vibes Sam, you have to try it. It's a necessity. You need to try it. I'm telling you, these jerk wings step out strong, but you don't know. Send the recipe to Auntie Pringles. She will help you out. Because sometimes you don't want to do it, but that's okay. Send it to Auntie Pringles. Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go and follow me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description. God bless you.